This is my GE all-in-one Home Depot combo gas washer and dryer. The washer pump has been making a clicking and then a loud humming. It goes but it doesn't actually pump out water. I don't hear the water going through the trap arm and flowing out of the machine. I'd also smell burning from time to time. I think it was caused from too much soap bubbles at one time, and it, maybe fried the pump. So my fix was to replace the pump. It was about, I think, like 40 bucks. But so if you take a butter knife and you run it to here, right around the opening of the door, and right here, there's these little tabs. And if you hit them, like that, and this one here, like that, you have to hit it with your hand on the edge of the... And then you just hit the back side with your hand. You can push in those clips, and there's the washer. And there's the pump right there. You can see the old pump here. All I did was, obviously it wasn't on. I undid those two bolts. They're smaller than 8mm. Clamped in the clamp there, and that back clamp is pretty slippery. And the plastic on it's kind of tough to work with. And then I found the right size plugs on my pump. So that's something to look for, is two separate plugs on your pump. And then I swapped it out, and when I pulled that, let's push that back on. When I pulled the pump out, a whole bunch of water came out of this side, like a lot. So I had a towel down here ready to catch it all. But that fixed my humming noise so far, or on day one, a couple loads in. I've been using the bulk setting on this washer machine because it'll fill a lot more water. It doesn't have that weighting system that the other modes have. And then if it was stuck, what I used to do is take the second rinse off, go to drain and spin, and hit start, and that would try to just pump out the water, so I could get the water out. I'd have to do that a bunch of times. Sometimes I'd turn it off, shake the bin, do a bunch of things to try to get it to drain. So far this new pump hasn't had any loud humming. You shouldn't have humming from your pump. If you have humming from your pump, it's probably broken, like this old one. So a couple things to look for here. I'll put the link to the Amazon product in there, but this is the old pump. I made sure I found one with these two sides, and then this pump here, this outlet goes off this way. All the other pumps I was finding when I would Google my my machine went the other way, which isn't correct. So just make sure you take note of that, orientation of where your drains are, and hopefully this will fix your humming noise on your machine. It's about a year or two old. Probably, no, actually, this is about 3 or 4 years old.